Come on, run.
Yeah. You know when they count money, sometimes they use a little rag and they press down and then they...
Yeah, because it makes it very much sturdier to pull the money. Sky.
I'm waiting for the right point to get him. Oh, damn. Sky, go, go, go!
She's too big trying to look pretty. That's why she's running like that.
Oh, watch out, go!
Go, mommy, go!
Sky, go, go! Go, mommy, go! Hit it today!
Woo!
I'm on
She was doing the old stiff arm there.
Sky, high five!
I want to be on Sky's team. You guys want
No,
to be
You guys, I won't be on Sky's
No,
team.
you're not. Sky's always against
You're on my
you.
team, huh? You're on my team.
She's like, whatever, bud, let's play.
Tackle him, mommy! Tackle him!
Look how she runs, look at her arms.
Run! I'll watch you! Go, go, go!
Joey's like, roar.
It's not even a touchdown yet.
She put it on the ground.
Touchdown.
She goes, ah.
Sky won the Super Bowl! Woo!
You tired, Dylan.
I'm the winner.
She's like, thank you.
Come on! I'll block Jordan. Yeah, come on. Yeah, we both did it.
That's not fair.
Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Say, I'm the winner.
There's an
Tell
I in
mommy.
my team, damn it.
Say, I'm the winner. Oh, don't kick me. Sky kicker.
No. Doesn't even kick you.
Or I'm going to kick you. And that'll hurt how?
She's getting her boost up. Go, mommy, go!
She sits right there. Look at her how she runs. She's like...
You hear her? She's like,
Sounds like Forrest Gump.
She's like, give us a minute.
Okay, run.
She's like this. She's like,
Run after.
Dylan, let her catch it.
well, let him catch it. He has to catch it because she can't exactly catch that far. But just like give her a chance to grab it.
That went outside of my foot.
Yeah, I know.
Tucker her little ass out.
Sure, I know. Marissa. Good job, mommy.
Like this. She's like,
Stripped it.
Whoa, for real.
My ball. So bitch, you got a
You guys are all like wearing yourselves out. That's funny. I know.
she's like all ahead of Dylan. She's all. There's some tackle and then he's
Well, I might do that one.
tackle.
Hurt your back.
A little
Go do
bit.
it. Go. Do
Trying to
dive fitting.
stretch it a little bit or something.
Yeah.
It's been hurting. Feeling like I'm just not doing anything,
This
you
guy's
know.
not even. Scared the ball right out of his hands.